To check your transaction history on TikTok, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal TikTok profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on this icon to open the settings menu. Step 4. Select balance. Within the settings menu, find and select the balance option. This section contains information about your TikTok coins, gifts, and transaction history. Step 5. View transaction history. In the balance section, scroll down to find your transaction history. Here, you can see a detailed list of your purchases, including coins bought and gifts sent or received. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on TikTok. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app's help section for more assistance.